Welcome to Class 8 Mathematics Part 1, Chapter A Square and A Cube. The question is, given 125 squared equals 15,625, what is the value of 126 squared? Now, here are the options. We break down questions step by step to help you understand better. Hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Before we jump in, let us recall a beautiful pattern. 1 squared is just 1. Simple, right? 2 squared, that is 1 plus 3, which equals 4. 3 squared, 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals 9. See the pattern? 4 squared, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 equals 16. So each time we go to the next square, we add the next odd number. But wait, how do we find exactly which odd number to add? Here is the nice pattern we can use to find the nth odd number. The first odd number is 1. 2 times 1 minus 1 is 1. Easy enough. The second odd number is 3. And look, 2 times 2 minus 1 is 3. The third odd number is 5. 2 times 3 minus 1 is 5. Piece by piece. The fourth is 7. Similarly, 2 times 4 minus 1 is 7. The fifth is 9. And we get 2 times 5 minus 1 is 9. Do you see the pattern? The nth odd number is 2n minus 1. It really is that simple. Now, we have everything we need to solve our problem. Remember our two key facts. 126 squared equals 125 squared plus the 126th odd number, because we are going from the 125th square to the 126th square. What is the 126th odd number? It can be written as 2 times 126 minus 1. 2 times 126 is 252. 252 minus 1 is 251. See how fast that was? So 126 squared equals 15,625 plus 251. And there we have it. Let us double check with algebra. The identity says n plus 1 squared equals n squared plus 2n plus 1. For n equals 125, 126 squared equals 125 squared plus 2 times 125 plus 1. Watch this. 2 times 125 is 250 plus 1 gives 251. So 126 squared equals 15,625 plus 251. Same answer. But be careful, if you accidentally use n equals 126, instead of 125, you get 253, which is option C, a trap. Now, let us find our answer among the options. Our answer is 15,625 plus 251. Option A adds 126. Nope. Option B adds 26 squared. Nope. Option C adds 253. That is the trap we just caught. Option D adds 251. That is our answer. Option E adds 51 squared. Nope. And the answer is option D. 126 squared equals 15,625 plus 251, which is 15,876. Here is your reusable method. First, consecutive squares differ by consecutive odd numbers. Second, the nth odd number is 2n minus 1. Third, the algebraic shortcut. n plus 1 squared equals n squared plus 2n plus 1. Keep these in your toolkit. And notice, 2 times n plus 1 minus 1 equals 2n plus 1. So the odd number pattern and the algebraic identity are actually the same thing. Just remember, n is the number you already know. Now you can leap from any square to the next, just one odd number away. That is a superpower for fast mental math. Keep learning and keep growing. See you in the next question.